When Elgato released their first lights for streamers back at CES, I was completely blown away and had to buy 2 of them. For my editor, of course.
What? New lights for my desk?
So in this video we are going to unbox those. That means you have to leave. I need your desk for the unboxing.
Sure, feel free.
Nice.
So, let's unbox it.
This is the Elgato Key Light. At least the packaging. It's a light, it uses an app, and of course it has a backside. In this beautifully crafted backside we can see how this product actually is intended to be used. But we're not gonna do that anyway. So that's enough, let's unbox it. This is the biggest manual I've ever received with a packaging. And this is not meant in a bad way. This is actually a sheet telling us what to do. But we don't listen to instructions here, don't we? So let's go on further. That's everything in the box. We get the actual panel, which has some weight to it. We've got some power bricks, and we got this mounting pole for the table. Doesn't feel cheap. Cool. On the front side we got this diffusion plate. On the back side we've got kinda nothing. The only thing we get here is a power input as well as a switch to turn it on and off. So we've got those regular mounts on every side. So we could actually mount it to any magic arm or something we want to attach it to, like a light stand and stuff. We're gonna do a review of those panels once I've used them for a while, and we'll compare it to other panels like that one, which is basically burning out my face all the time, so sorry guys. So I'm going to set this up right now to see if it's doing its job, and it's time for another snip. Actually, you know what? No. Okay, actually we do need the instructions. I just set it up and can't figure out how to start it, so let's see. We set it up, that's good, and... I have to flip the switch for 15 seconds. Yeah, that's intuitive. Everybody should know that. And I also have to download the software. Let's jump to my computer, I guess. Which means I have to start it now. I really hope this is gonna be an offline video, which I not have to jump on my computer. Download. Go. Next. Back. D. Next. Install. Finish! No accessories found! Yeah, that looks good. So what does... Okay, we installed the software. Sure, we have to flip the switch for 15 seconds. I switched it on, I switched it off, I set it to reset. And it said I have to flip it to on for 15 seconds. Pressing the plus sign, nothing is found. Great, works perfect. Out of the box experience, 10 out of 10. Please! Elgato! Clear instructions! So even I can understand. Schalte Key Light ein. Der Startvorgang dauert circa 15 Sekunden. Wait, do I have to press it for 15 seconds or is it just starting within 15 seconds? Okay, let's see. Flip it to on. I wonder if I'm just stupid or if I'm just unlucky. Switching on your key light, it will take approximately 15 seconds to boot up. Cannot confirm. It's dead. And it has... Oh my god! Oh! Alright, I've got the light set up and we are ready to go. So I have my little Elgato Control Center on my desktop, and I actually can control the temperature of my light, and wow! That's actually nice, a nice range. I like it. And I can also control the brightness, and boy! This is bright! This is actually brighter than I expected, so that's great! Now we are ready to get the desk back to our editor, or actually the editor back at his desk, and we will dive a bit deeper on those entire Elgato Key Light topic, like in 2 weeks when I used it, or at least my editor did, and I have some useful information to share with you. Until then, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. I have no idea what it will be about, but hey, consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video, otherwise I don't know, the channel has no point. So, see ya, bye. Wow, it was the most pissed off ending ever.